So data part is Google Sheet. You can use Google Sheet here. You can upload a file like Microsoft Excel. You can also use our own system, custom tables. You can create custom tables here, and you can use it from data part. And you can also have a webhook. For using webhook, you can also check out our documents. Right now, I'm gonna with a Google Sheet itself. Just search here, and I'm gonna build with data. So I have a test data, and you can also add all the sheets to the process. For example, as you see, also you can choose which is a headline. So automatically chose this, and you can add sheets, and it is second sheet here. I have two sheets here, and here it is. I have add agency information, and I'm gonna choose headers. It's the second row here. And as you see, I can also merge, like, let's say I wanna do something with the connecting data, and the connecting point for me, it is agent name. As you see here, it is the agent name is a connecting point for me. I'm gonna choose agent here, and I'm gonna choose agent here too. So that's gonna be like a connecting point for me. When some data is needed to come from the agent name information, it's gonna come here.